Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture and in the few coming ones, I'm going to show you how to create a photo for your Facebook ad. In each lecture, we are going to use a different software or a different online tool. Feel free to go with any one of them. People nowadays are distracted very easily while browsing the internet. The amount of concentrated time an internet browser can spend checking something without becoming distracted is very short. And this applies to when they are checking their Facebook news feeds. That's why images are very important. Human brain processes images quicker than words and remembers them for a longer time. Also, images in social media platforms get more engagement. So if you want to get more engagement on your ad, you should make sure that your ad image is super attractive and that it can catch your viewers' attention. So you need your images to stand out and to look different. That's why you should be putting some effort in designing your product's images. Many people go to AliExpress, they pick whatever images they find there and they use them in their ads. Well, this method doesn't work. AliExpress photos are usually not that attractive and not well optimized to attract people and make them want to check the product and buy it. So what you should be doing is to take AliExpress photos, modify them and work on them to make them stand out. I will be using this product as an example and I will show you how I'm going to design an attractive photo for it. It's a random product that I have picked from AliExpress. As you can see here, we have different photos provided by the supplier and we have also a video. We will not use this video right now. In the coming lectures, I will be showing you how to use it in your ads. For now, we are only going to work on images. The first thing you should be doing each time you want to start selling a new product is to go to Facebook. You go for Facebook search and you type the name of your product. You can add free shipping next to it or 50% off and you can check the results. In this way, you will be seeing all the photos and the ads available under your product title. You check out the photos and it would be great if you find some with high engagement because in this way you will get an idea about what's working and what's not. For our example here, we have several photos. Let's check them. You can notice that almost all of them are poorly designed. They are simply the same photos on AliExpress. You can keep spying as much as you want and you can get inspired through this on how to design your own photos. Now let's get back to AliExpress. So here we have our product and we have many photos. Some people simply pick any random photo from these and use it on their ads. Well, as I told you before, this is wrong. A photo like this is not attractive. Why would anyone stop scrolling and click on this photo? There is nothing fun or attractive about this photo, and it doesn't fire up your viewers' curiosity to be interested on knowing more and exploring more and buying your product. The more you work on your photos to make them more attractive, the more they will be able to stand out and make sales. So let's now jump back to our apple peeler and find out how we are going to design an awesome photo for it. We have many photos for this apple peeler here on AliExpress. You can choose either to download all these photos by using this Chrome extension, or you can pick the photos you want to use and download them separately. In this lecture, I will show you how to design your images using PowerPoint. Well, yeah, few people use PowerPoint for this kind of stuff, but I love it and I find it one of the easiest softwares to be used. Especially that we all have PowerPoint on our PCs, so no need to pay any extra fee. Step number 1, decide where you are going to run your ad. This means your ad placement on Facebook, and check out the right size you should use. In this link here, Facebook gives you all the needed information plus the available places. So let's say we are designing a photo for newsfeed and with links, so our photo size should be with this ratio. The minimum size allowed is 600 pixels, so our image size should be 1146. We can go with 1200 by 628 pixels. The most important thing is to keep your ratio right and your smaller size higher than 600 pixels. You convert pixel to inches and you change the PowerPoint slider size to 12.5 inch by 6.54 inch. And in this way, we have the exact size of our ad photo. So we are going to design your product photo using PowerPoint. So let's go there and check out how this is going to work. The first thing to do is to have your slide empty. Then to adjust your slide size to be equivalent to our ad size. We will design our photo to fit exactly within this slide, so when we save this slide as a JPG, it will have the same size we need. So you go in here and you choose to customize your slide size to be 12.5 inch by 6.54 inch. After changing the slide size, we insert the photo we want to work with. As you can see, all the photos provided by AliExpress supplier to this product are missing any background. And we are going to change this because having an attractive background for your image is extremely important, because photos with white background are less likely to attract people's attention. The tricky part now would be to remove the background of our photo and replace it with a more attractive one. PowerPoint holds a feature that many people ignore or simply don't know about. It lets you remove the background of any image. It works fantastically, and just by few clicks, it lets you get rid of any background. And you are going to see how I'm going to apply this to our photo. So here you select your photo and you click in here. You can also select the areas you want to keep and the areas you want to remove. So now we have our photo clean and ready, and we are going to add a background for it. That's why we are going to Pixabay. Pixabay is a website where you can find photos that you can use for commercial use without any attribution. So let's go here and search for backgrounds related to Apple. You can see that you have many options that you can choose from. Well, I'm going to pick a one that I think will be suitable. Well, this might be a good one. I'm going to download it. Now, after downloading our photo, let's get back to PowerPoint. So now we have our background and our product above it. I will also add a dark layout over the background and you will see later why this is very important and how this will make my entire photo look way better. It should be under the product photo, so I'm going to move it under. You can also add a glow for your product to make it pop up. Here you add the glow, and you can also modify the color and the transparency and the size as you please. And here we have our photo. I'm also going to add a sales badge in here to make it more attractive. And this is it. See how we designed an awesome photo in just a few minutes? Now we have to save it and to make sure that the text overlay is acceptable. So, after saving your image, you go to this web page and you upload your image and you will get the results. As you can see in here, if the proportion of your text over your image is too high, this might affect the reach of your ad. Facebook has this rule, that's why we should always test our photos to be within this Facebook guideline. That's why each time you design an image for your ad, you should go to this link and you should test your image and make sure that it's within Facebook guidelines. I'm going to test that photo we have just designed. If it's not okay with this tool, I'm going to minimize my text and make sure it's within Facebook rules. Because as I told you before, this would affect the reach of your ads. So please do not forget to always test your text overlay. As you can see, our photo is okay, so we don't need to change anything. You can also add free shipping here instead of 50% off. It's up to you. Both are good and I recommend both of them. So that's how you design your images using PowerPoint. Stay tuned with me and let's meet in the next lecture where I'm going to show you how to design your images using a different software.